Hey goddesses, so I recorded this video back in December of 2024 and I'm just now uploading it, and the reason why is mostly for frame of reference because in the next 6 months I plan on doing another silk press because one, I really want to do a good trim, but also to see how much my hair has grown in 6 months. So with that being said, enjoy this video, goddesses. So I'm really excited because I am getting this like hairbrush today that is actually for texturized hair, for type 4 hair from what I understand. It's a hairbrush blow dryer, but the thing about this hairbrush blow dryer, it is a round brush. I don't know why I never thought about this before, like looking for a hairbrush that is literally for texturized hair. Here is the itinerary today. So I'm actually getting up right now and I'm going to the studio because I'm going to be teaching today. Studio, I'm going to teach and then work out for a little bit, and then after that I'm gonna come home and I'm going to pray to the Amazon gods that it will be here when I come home. With that being said, stick along on this journey so y'all can see the results. So here we are using 2 different shampoos, and then we are using this deep conditioner here, and then we're using this heat protectant from Mielle, and then we're using this serum. The blue one is Chi, and then this is the foam that I'm using for my curl formers. So here it's been probably like 2 weeks since I've done anything to my hair, so it's very dusty, crusty. So the first shampoo, we are using the Chi Keratin and making sure our scalp is nice and clean and bringing it all through the shaft of our hair. This is the second shampoo with the Cream of Nature. It's very moisturizing. I love the shampoo, and this is what my hair is looking like right after we rinse it out. So here we're putting in the deep conditioner, rubbing it all through my hair. So when it comes to the combing process, I want to make this very clear. Start at the ends of your hair and go up. We do not want to create unnecessary breakage, okay? So we start from the bottom and we move up to the top where we can smoothly glide the comb through our hair, okay, goddesses? Always start at the bottom and go from the bottom to top. So then we are going to put on the shower cap, and then we're going to sit under a hooded dryer, and that's how much hair I lost. 4:31 now. I sat under the hooded dryer a little over a half hour. Anyway, I'm about to hop in the shower. So here is the serum that I am using in my hair. I actually wish I used the Mielle Heat Protected because it's a water base, but this is the foam that I am using to put in the curl formers. So I definitely recommend this because it makes it so much easier for the blow drying process as well as the flat ironing process. And I got these wave formers. I call them curl formers, but same difference. I got them from Amazon for I think about $10 or something like that, but I definitely recommend this in the routine. I look like a bug with those 2 standing up. Everything seems like it's dry. Look at that shine. Oh my god. Hello goddesses. So today is the next day. So I'm gonna show you this blow dryer that I just got, and it is for, like I said, textured hair. This is the blow dryer, and literally it says right there, professional for textured hair. So I'm really excited to use this dryer. So it says blow dry out in half the time and less damage. So this is what my hair is looking like from yesterday. I had it in the bonnet all day today because I just came back from work. We're gonna take it out the pack and see what it looks like. Can I not open a box? So this is what it's looking like right out of the pack. Okay, so it has some bristles in here. Okay, it's pretty soft, very sleek. If you have the Revlon brush, it's like the same. It has like the 3 settings as cool. It has low, high, heat. Again, this is just a round brush. So here we are. I'm taking my hair out of the braids and I'm going to be sectioning the hair. So that is the heat protectant I actually wish I put in with the curl formers when my hair was drenched because it's water-based. But anyway, it does kind of, you know, thicken up my hair. But here we are with the brush. So I'm going to tell y'all it is a learning curve if you have never used a hair blow dryer brush before. As you can see, I'm struggling. But of course, the more you practice, it does become easier as you go along. Y'all, I will talk more about it in the video, but I will sit here and say once you kind of get the hang of it, it's easier. And then it's like, you can really bring the brush all the way to your scalp. I think because I also used the curl formers, it made it very, like my hair was laying flat to the scalp. But I love the brush, and I'm going to break that down and share so much information right now with you goddesses, and that's what it looks like after. So I'm gonna sit here and tell y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all when I say this brush, you have type 4 hair, don't run, leap. This hairbrush, mind you, I spent my own money. This is not a sponsorship or nothing like that. This is something that I purchased with my own hard-earned coin. I love my Rev brush for sure, but I'm telling you right now, this brush is amazing. First off, my roots, I can literally feel my scalp. Okay, I can feel up to my scalp. I'm gonna like part it. It literally is to my scalp. It brushed down all the way to my scalp. I will admit that if you have not had a round brush before, this is definitely going to be a learning curve. As I was doing my hair, I got a cramp. Still actually feel it right now, which is one, I need to drink some more water. I'm just really shocked. I'm really shocked. One, how straight my hair is just from blowing my hair out. So I am gonna take a break though. I'm not gonna go jump right back into flat ironing my hair. I need a break obviously because of the cramp that happened. If you have really thick hair, I'm telling you, this is definitely a blow dryer that definitely get. Also, just a couple of tips. So I'm gonna share a couple of tips using a round brush. So if you have thick type 4 hair like I do, you need to work in small sections, especially with this round brush. So that's what I did. And I feel like that's why my results is like my hair is pretty flat to my scalp because I used it in small sections. And if you do the method that I do with using the curl formers, it's already gonna make it easier for you to like already pull apart and put it in sections, because when you do the curl formers, it puts your hair in sections from the curl formers. That's why it was really super easy for me to go ahead and blow dry my hair in sections. So I pretty much go start with the cool to brush it out, then I go into the low and start doing the rounding of the hair at the ends. Then I go back to cool, and then I go to high, and then back to cool, because I know cool air is good to like lay down the cuticle instead of just having it on high heat the whole entire time. I'm not even bringing this to TikTok. This is between me and y'all, okay? Because this hairbrush for type 4 hair is everything. So here we are about to flat iron my hair. So I want to make this clear, please clean off your products, your flat irons, your blow dryer, or before you use them, because we don't want product buildup. That's not going to make your hair be silk pressed. But with that being said, I'm going to tell y'all, this was not a silk press. This was more of a flat iron. I was kind of scared of putting the heat on my hair, in a sense of like, I think my flat iron is set to like 350, and that wasn't going to give you silk press. It would have to be like 400 and something. So it's giving flat iron, which is okay, because in the next 6 months, as you can see, it's flat iron there. But in the next 6 months, I am going to actually be doing this again, because it was a learning process and it didn't look bad. It looked very cute. But with that being said, I do like the results of what it came out to. But because I did not have it, I had it on such a low heat because I was kind of scared. But I am grateful because, like I said, I'm going to be flat ironing my hair in the next couple of months to trim my hair and all that and more. But yeah, so this is the full flat iron process, and this is what it looks like. So yeah. Hey y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like. I feel like it's giving me kind of like 90s vibes. I probably should like curl it or something. But yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like, fully flat ironed. I have a video on my channel from like years ago. I want to say like 4 or 5 years ago, when my hair was actually about like this like length or a little bit longer. Even when I flat ironed it, it was still like, it was like this. Like, I have very thick hair. I definitely have to trim because I have a lot of single strands knots. So here we are trimming my hair. So if y'all want me to make a video on like trimming and stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below. But to be honest, I kind of trim when I feel like it and when my hair needs it. I don't believe in the 3 month, 6 month whatever that people do. I'm just like, I can tell when my hair needs it. I did not trim my hair in a year, which is so bad. But with that being said, we are on a healthy hair journey. If you enjoyed this video, please love on that like button as well as subscribe so you will be notified when new videos drop. I'll see you goddesses very soon. Love you. Bye.
What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, but I got you another.